Yang mau sepatunya ya. Sepatu mantap nih Kak. Mantap banget. Salam kakakku, salam balik. Oke, kakakku mana komenannya nih? Naikin kak komen-komenannya ya. Ketep layarnya kakakku. Kakakku, gaskan lagi. Kita gas ya. Kita ada Nike Infinity nih kak nih ya. Nike Infinity size berapa bang? Ya. Kakak ready ya, barangnya ready kakakku. Mau kakakku? Kakakku mau naikin komen-komenannya kakakku ya. Mau harganya berapa bang? Harganya 150 ya. Kakakku 150 ya. Ini saya ready kita size ya. Ada 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 ya. Sampai 45 ini. Ya, mau 150 ya. 150 ya kakakku ya. Udah strobel dia. Aku udah strobel. Oke, udah strobel. Kelahirannya apa bang? Kelahirannya dia Cina ya. Kelahirannya dia Cina. Kakak ada yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Kakakku ada yang mau naikin komen-komenannya. 150 ya. 150 kakakku. Naikin komen-komenannya kak ya. Naikin komen-komenannya. Ada yang mau 150? Kakakku naikin komen-komenannya 150 ya. 150. Yang mau berkabar ya silakan japri, nomor admin udah kita cantumkan. Kakakku nomor adminnya sudah kita cantumkan. Tinggal kakak doang nih beli nih ya. 150 yang mau ya, yang mau boleh kakak komen ya. Kakak boleh komen-komen ya. Mantap kakakku ya. Alhamdulillah. Kakak Iksan Wahyudi, naikin komen-komen kakakku.
Midfield. There's a little back heel from Musiala, and suddenly it opens up. Jamal Musiala, good save. Saka quickly down. Big moment in the game. Very sharp from Safanov. Pavlovic. Luis Diaz. Musiala! Well, the first chance was the better chance on his unfavoured left foot. They're getting closer, aren't they?
Kakakku, yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Ada yang mau kakak nih? Kakakku ada yang mau nggak? Ya, ada yang mau? Kita ready size ya. Ada yang mau kak? Kalau nggak ada kita geser ya. Kakak kalau mau SS ya aku ya. SS masuk admin, kita sambil nonton bola nih. Hari ini kita live sambil nonton bola kakakku ya. Kita ada 530 nih kak ya. 530 kakakku. Ada yang mau? 530 berapa bang harganya? 170 ya. 170 kakakku. Ada yang mau kakakku? Ready size berapa bang? Ready size 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 ya. 41 ya. 42, 43, 44, 4 ya sampai 44 doang ya. Mau kakakku 170 udah include sama box ya. Sudah include sama box, sudah reflektif, cakep ya. Sudah reflektif aku cakep. Yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Yang mau naikin komen-komennya 170 kakakku ya. Mau kakak naikin komen-komenannya silakan berkabar ya, silakan berkabar ya. Tampaknya udah anti licin ya, dalam-dalaman juga udah strobel ya. Dalam-dalaman juga udah strobel, bagus kakakku. Yang mau naikin komen-komenannya bang, KTP-nya apa bang? KTP-nya dia Cina ya. KTP dia Cina 530 ya. 530 silver ya, cakep. Yang mau buat cewek ya, yang mau naikin komen bang, yang pakai cewek apa cowok bisa bang? Cewek cowok bisa pakai ya. Cewek cowok bisa pakai kakakku ya. Yang pakai cewek cowok bisa ya. Mau kakakku naikin komen-komennya 170 ya. 170. Kakak yang mau berkabar ya. Yang mau berkabar 170. Kakakku tap-tap lagi dong layarnya ya. Tap-tap lagi layarnya kakakku ya. Kalau nggak ada kita geser ke 740 ya. 740 juga ada kakakku ya. Kakak ada yang mau 740? Naikin komen-komennya kakakku ya. 740 naikin komen-komennya bang. Ready size berapa? Ready ya kakakku ya. Kakakku ready ya. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, ya 44. Kelahirannya apa bang? Kelahirannya Cina ya. Kelahirannya Cina. Kakakku ada yang mau 170 ya. Udah include sama box ya. Udah include sama box bang. KTP-nya apa bang? KTP-nya dia Cina ya. KTP dia Cina. Yang mau naikin komen-komennya kakakku. Yang mau naikin komen-komennya 170 ya. 170 kakak. Mau kakakku naikin komen-komennya 170 ya. 170 aja. Yang mau naikin bang, warnanya ada apa aja bang? Warnanya ada, full blacknya juga ada ya. Full blacknya juga ada ya. Mantap barangnya kakakku, keren nih. Full blacknya nih. Nah, full blacknya juga ada kakakku ya. Full blacknya juga ada kakakku, mau 170 ya. Naikin komen-komennya kakakku ya. Naikin komen-komennya 170, yang mau naikin komen-komennya kakak. Silakan berkabar, naikin ya. Kakakku yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya, naikin komen-komenannya. Salah lagi, goblok.
This match is brought to you by Lay's.
Gimana kakakku, full black, ready size berapa bang? 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 ya. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Mau kakakku ambil ya, mau kakakku ambil 170 ya. 170 bang, kelahirannya apa bang? Kelahirannya dia Cina ya. Kelahirannya dia Cina kakakku. Kakak mau naikin komen-komenannya, silakan berkabar ya. Kita gaskan kakakku ya, kita gas ya. Kita gaskan kakakku. Mau kakakku naikin ya. Warna full black udah reflektif, cakep ya, cakep banget ya. Bokong-bokong aman semua, nggak ada masalah, nggak ada kendala. Gas, tapaknya juga udah anti slip, anti licin ya. Lem-lemnya juga udah mantap banget kakakku. Mau 170, naikin komen-komenannya. Yang mau berkabar ya, yang mau berkabar kakakku. Oke, kakakku yang mau berkabar ya. Gimana kakak? Ada yang mau ya? Ada yang mau? Kak, aku coba. Oh, mantap ya. Kita ada Jordan nih kak ya. Jordan ya. Jordan High ya. Warnanya warna marun. Mantap banget ya. Mantap banget. Warnanya warna marun. Mantap banget. Kakak mau ambil ya? Kakakku mau ambil ya Jordan ya. Size berapa ready bang? 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Harganya berapa bang? Harganya 170 ya. 170 kakakku, barangnya mewah ya. Barangnya mewah. Mau naikin komen-komennya 170. Kakakku mau 170. Yang mau boleh kakakku ya. Yang mau boleh berkabar ya. Yang mau boleh berkabar kakakku ya. Yang mau boleh berkabar, naikin komen-komenannya ya. Naikin komen-komennya bang, itu barang bisa dikirim nggak bang ke luar negeri? Bisa ya kakakku ya, bisa. Kemana aja bisa kita kirim kakakku ya. Dengan kualitas yang bagus nih, tapaknya juga udah bagus ya. Udah emboss Nike nih ya, udah emboss Nike. Kakakku udah emboss sama Nike ya. Oke, sudah emboss Nike dia. Oke kakak, ada yang mau nggak? Kalau ada yang mau silahkan berkabar bang, warnanya ada apa aja? Warnanya ini ada warna banyak ya. Kalau mau full blacknya nanti ada ya. Jordan full black ada ya. Jordan full black ada, barang bagus, barang dijamin ya, barang dijamin ya. Kualitas kita udah premium, dia impor ini ya. Cakep, wah ya. Cakep buat casual, nggak usah diragukan. Warna pandanya juga ada ya. Warna pandanya juga ada. Kakakku yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Kakak naikin komen-komenannya. Biar kita gas, biar kita siapkan pengiriman buat kakak ya. Kakakku naikin lagi komen-komenannya ya. Naikin lagi komen-komenannya ya. Oke kakak, yang mau SS, masuk admin, nomor admin udah dicantumkan di situ ya. Tuagapa 321 123 cekrek ya. Yang mau SS ya. Yang mau SS 1 70 aja ya. 170.000 kakakku. Ya, harganya harga kacau ya. Bisa kakak jual lagi 2,5 bisa ya. Kakak kalau buat jual lagi bisa ya, jangan ragu dan jangan bimbang. Oke, kita ada Adi Zero ya. Adi Zero Evo warnanya stabilo ya, warna stabilo. Harganya berapa, Bang? Harganya 160 udah include sama box ya. 160 udah include sama box bawaannya ya. Aku naikin komen-komenannya, Kak ya. Naikin komen-komenannya, yang mau komen ya, yang mau komen. Komen kakakku ya, komen ya. Masuk admin itu nggak harus beli, Kakak ya. Masuk admin itu nggak harus beli, kakakku. Kakakku tanya-tanya boleh ya, tanya-tanya boleh, mau yang mana, coba naikin komen-komenannya. Oke kakakku ya, ini kita ada di Zero Evo warna stabilo, tapaknya juga udah mantep nih. Nah, tapak udah rubber ya kakakku ya, depannya juga udah emboss ya, emboss Adidas nih, emboss Adidas ya. Harganya berapa bang? Harganya 160. Kita nggak ada yang mahal kak, barang kita jual di sini nggak ada yang mahal ya, harga murah-murah saja. Ya, siapa cepat dia dapat. Ready size berapa bang? Ini ada 36-nya, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Harganya berapa bang? Harganya 160 ya. Nih. Udah strobel apa belum bang? Udah ya. Udah strobel tuh ya. Oke kakakku, udah strobel dia. Cakep. Mau naikin komen-komennya 160. 160 kakakku udah include sama box ya. Sudah include sama box bawaan. Kakak yang mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Naikin komen-komennya 160 ya. 160 cakep, bokongan mantap ya. Udah emboss Adidas ya, Adi Zero Evo ya. Cakep. Warnanya ada apa aja bang? Warna banyak kakak ya. Yang mau naikin komen ya. Yang mau naikin komen masuk admin ya. Yang mau naikin komen masuk admin 160. Ya kakakku. Silakan kakakku berkabar yang mau ya, masuk admin 160. Oke, kalau nggak ada kita geser lagi ya. Kalau nggak ada kita geser lagi. Kakakku, kalau nggak ada kita geser lagi. Kita ada Adi Zero ya. Adi Zero Evo ya. Adi Zero Evo warna biru di silver. Ini cakep. Ini saya jamin barangnya bagus ya. Barang cakep, nggak ada kendala, nggak ada masalah. Harganya berapa bang? Harganya murce kakakku ya. Harganya murce cuma 160 ya. Navy biru silver ya. Navy biru silver ya. KTP-nya apa? KTP-nya dia Vietnam ya. KTP-nya dia Vietnam kakakku. Lem-lemannya gimana bang? Lem-lemannya sudah rapi. Rapi ya kakakku ya. Nih tapak-tapaknya juga udah bagus ya. No. Oke. Harganya berapa bang? Harganya 160. Ya kakakku. Mau kakak? 160. Naikin komen-komenannya ya. Naikin komen-komenannya, yang mau 160 berkabar ya. Ready size berapa bang? Ini ada 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 ya. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Mau kakakku SS ya. Kakak mau SS ya, mau SS ya, barang bagus kok kak ya. Kakak bisa buat jual lagi 2,5, 300 bisa kakak jual ya. Ini udah dapat box ya. Ini udah dapat box bawaan, harganya cuma 160 ya. Nanti kedepannya saya nggak tahu nih harga bakal naik. Soalnya semua plastik semua juga pada naik semua kakakku. Bahan-bahan udah pada naik semua, jadi impornya bisa naik juga ya. Kakakku ya, nanti impor bisa naik juga masalahnya ya. Oke, 160 yang mau SS ya. Yang mau SS ini sampai 45 ada ya. Sampai 45 ada. Mau kakakku SS 160 udah include sama box. Kakakku mau, kakakku ya. Kakak mau naikin komen-komenannya ya. Kakakku Suwarno Benol, Tao, Raffi Dasa, Arsa ya. Kakak Harvina mau SS 160. Bang, itu barang dikirim ke bang? Dikirim kak ya, dikirim. Nggak ada yang nggak dikirim ya. Nggak ada yang nggak dikirim ke kakakku ya. Pokoknya amanah kok, amanah ya. Amanah kakak ya. Naikin komen-komenannya. Naikin komen-komennya kakakku ya. 160 ya. 160 cuman harga murah kakakku ya. Harga murah kakak, kalau buat jual lagi bisa ya. Kakak kalau buat jual lagi bisa. Oke, kakak jual lagi aja bisa kok ya. Kakak jual 200 masih untung kakak 40.000 ya. Kakakku, kakak jual 3,5 bisa ya. Oke, cakep kok. Tapak juga udah rubber ya, udah emboss. No. Ya. Kak, tuh. Udah emboss Adidas kok ya. Udah emboss Adidas, nggak bakalan kecewa ya. Insya Allah amanah. 160 ya. Oke, 160 aja ya. 160 aja. Lagi. Kakakku, kita ada Hoka Blackpink. Nah, ini cakep nih. Ini bagus nih kak ya. Hoka Blackpink berapa bang? 130. Ini cakep. Buat senam, buat cewek yang punya pacar, yang pacarnya hobi olahraga, kakak beli ini nih. Ini bagus nih, cakep. Ini cakep kakakku. Lem-leman rapih ya, lem-leman rapih ya, udah reflektif. Empuk ya, empuk, cakep. Harganya berapa bang? 130 aku jual kak. Kakak bisa jual lagi 2,5 ini ya. Bisa jual lagi 2,5. Barangnya aslinya cakep ya, tuh. Hoka Grotex ya, Hoka Grotex 130 ya. 130 Hoka Grotex kakakku. Naikin kak komen-komenannya ya, naikin komen-komennya 130. Nih, yang punya pacar, yang punya cewek, yang ceweknya hobi nge-gym, ceweknya yang hobi zumba, ceweknya yang hobi senam, ceweknya yang hobi lari sore, ceweknya yang hobi lari pagi ya. Kakakku bisa buat Olga, bisa buat maraton, harganya 130. KTP-nya apa bang? Kelahirannya dia Vietnam ya. Kelahiran dia Vietnam. Oh, kakak mau ambil 130 ya. Nanti kedepannya bisa berubah harganya nih kak ya. Ini bisa berubah nih. Kakakku barcode-nya juga udah nyala nih ya. Tapi nggak penting sih ya. Tuh ya. Barcode-nya juga udah nyala kakak ya. Barcode Zumba-nya udah nyala kakakku. Hoka Grotex Blackpink ya. Warnanya ada apa aja bang? Banyak, ada yang warna pinknya, ada yang warna full blacknya. Makanya kakak masuk ke admin nanti ya, nanti di admin kakakku ya, nanti di admin kakak bisa minta warna apa. Harganya cuma 130 kak. Kakak beli di Irian Jaya, kakak beli di Papua, harganya tetap segitu saya jual ya. Harganya tetap segitu saya jual cuma 130. Kalau bahan mah nggak usah diragukan lagi. Soalnya empuk kakakku ya, dalam-dalamannya juga udah trouble ya. Dalaman juga udah trouble kakakku. Ambil ya. 130 ya. 130. Ambil kakakku. Naikin kak, naikin komen-komennya. Ready size berapa bang? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ada 41-nya ini ya. 41-nya ada ya, 41. Tapi kalau 42 nggak ada ya. Mau kakakku ambil. Kakak hey, selamat bergabung kakak Ricci Castillo. Kakak mau 130, mau ambil ya. Saya layernya apa bang? Layernya Vietnam, udah include sama box ya. Lem-leman rapi, rapi banget ya. Tuh, nggak ada lecet, nggak ada lekang, nggak ada panas ya. Oke, tua gapat 321 123 cekrek ya. Ya, oke kakakku. Oke kakakku ya, ambil ya. Sepatu apa bang? Muhammad Sibli, ini sepatu Hoka, kakakku Muhammad. Abang kalau punya cewek, kalau punya pacar, abang beli ini, senang dia, saya jamin ya. Oke abangku mau nyari sepatu apa ada, mau nyari sepatu apa ada ya. Sepatu NB, sepatu Nike, sepatu Hoka, sepatu Puma, sepatu apa namanya, sepatu Converse, sepatu Ventela, kita jual semua. Oke, naikin komennya 130 ya. Oke, kalau nggak ada kita geser lagi. Kakakku, sebentar lagi bolamu. Saya kira sepatu untuk lari. Benar abangku, bisa buat lari ya. Kakakku bisa buat lari. Kakak buat cewek buat cowok. Kakakku, kakak Muhammad Sibli. Naikin, bisa buat lari. Emang sepatu running bang? Kak, kakak cewek apa cowok nih? Emang sepatu buat lari kakakku ya. Emang sepatu buat lari dia. Lama amat iklan. Ada, kurang 41 buat cowok ada ya. Ada. 41 buat cowok mau warna apa, abangku? Abangku mau warna apa? Kita ada Esik nih abangku ya, Esik Tokyo, cakep, saya jamin, bagus banget ya. Esik Tokyo 41 ya, nih cakep. Harganya cuma 160 udah dapat box ya, abangku. 160 udah dapat box bawaan, warnanya banyak, masuk admin. Abangku Muhammad Sibli, naikin komen-komen masuk admin, bang. Adminnya di mana tuh ya? Hitam nota berapa bang? Hitam. Mau warna hitam ada nih, hitam ada ya. Hitam full black apa hitam apa? Nih. Hitam kita ada di Hoka tadi juga ada, di sini juga ada hitam. Hitam ya, nih. Ini harganya 150 ya, 150 ya. Abangku 150, cakep. Mau abangku nih ya. Ini di hitam ini juga ada nih, hitam putih Esik ya, Esik. Nih kak, abangku mau hitam ini. Ini hitam Esik ya, tapak kuda rubber ya, tapak kuda rubber awet ya, awet. Udah strobel ya, udah strobel abangku, tuh ya. Udah strobel, ini harganya 160 ya. Kalau yang ini 160, kalau Esik, kalau Nike 150. Abangku masuk admin ya. Abang Muhammad Sibli, naikin masuk admin ya. Nih, cakep ya. Oke, masuk admin abangku. Adminnya di mana? Adminnya di bio profil ya. Adminnya di bio profil. Adminnya di bio profil, cakep ya. No. Oke, Abang Sibli masih stay. Abang Sibli masih stay. Kalau masih stay, abangku naikin komen-komenannya. Masuk ke admin, kita japri, kita siapkan pengiriman buat abangku ya. Kita siapkan pengirimannya. Oke. Naikin komen-komenan abangku. 41 ada ya, 41 ada. Buat running namanya itu. Pengiriman dari mana bang? Bangku Biru Langit, pengiriman Jakarta. Ya. Pengiriman Jakarta, Bangku Biru Langit. Naikin komen-komennya abangku ya. SS dulu abangku ya, SS dulu, cakep ya. Ini running mantep nih ya, running trend. Naikin kak komen-komenannya ya. Kak SS dulu masuk admin kak. Kakak SS dulu masuk admin ya. Kakakku SS dulu masuk admin. Bang, nomor adminnya di mana tuh? Di situ ya. Oke kakakku, mau. Kakakku, mana nih? Kakakku yang mau ya, SS ya. Kakak masuk admin kak ya. Mau masuk admin. Ya, ready size-nya ya. Size-nya ready kakakku. Ini warna hitamnya nih. Dia lah, dia menang.
mainstay and the main man of this defence has been the man in the middle when they've had that little shuffle round that he's managed to deal with everything that Bayern have thrown at them so far. Just feel whether Leiber and Stanisic can prove another angle for Diaz and Elise just to isolate the wide men a little bit more. That doesn't necessarily mean that that's the quality, that final ball. Plenty of Bavarian belief here still. At that end of the stadium.
Kakakku, kita ada esik ya. Yang mau naikin komen-komennya kakakku. Berapa bang? 160 ya, cakep. Ya. Cakep kakakku.
Just a most wonderful stage on which to play football. Well, this doesn't help for the flow of the second half for Bayern. Immediately after kick-off, the player goes down and kills a couple of minutes, and it's
Kita ada esiknya, esik Nova Blast kakakku ya.
something wrong with Pacho, but it doesn't
Esik Nova Blast. Kakak ada yang mau esik Nova Blast berapa bang? Ready set berapa? 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Harganya berapa bangku? Harganya 140. Ya, harga 140 cakep ya. Tapak-tapaknya juga udah bagus. KTP-nya apa bang? KTP-nya dia Jepang ya. Kakakku KTP-nya dia Jepang. Kakakku ada yang mau? Kalau ada yang mau naikin komen-komennya kak ya. Kalau ada yang mau naikin komen-komennya 140 1140 sorry. 140 kakakku. Salam balik kak. Kakakku kita ada OC ya. OC. OC full black. Ready size berapa bang? Ini ready cuma 39 40 41 ya. 39 40 41 ya. Harganya berapa bangku? Harganya 240 ya. 240 warna full black OC ya. Full black OC ya. Full black OC 240. Kakak yang mau naikin komen-komenannya. Ya, tapaknya juga udah mantap ya. Tapak udah mantap ya. Kualitasnya apa bang? Kualitasnya impor ya. Bukan sepatu fake, bukan sepatu KW kakakku ya. Mau naikin komen-komenannya ya.
Emery is trying to accelerate onto it. Tar sees through, then he can't. Pavlovic to Stanisic. Musiala, Stanisic, Kane. Musiala. Tripped there by Vitinha. Very scrappy, isn't it? It's a little bit fractious. It's not quite got the flow yet. Bayern can't get ahead of steam, can't get this crowd going. I think PSG have been able to break up that flow. Olise. He's in full flow. Michael Olise thought about it. Squares it instead to Luis Diaz. He thought about it first time. Stanisic. Kane. He'll always pull the trigger. It was speculative at best, really, from Harry Kane. Just moments where the ball across to Luis Diaz is just a fraction too quick for him to hit it. Those moments for PSG have been succinct. Well seen again by Pacho. Coutinho on to Doué. Well, Dembele was asking it for his feet.
Gimana kakakku? Ada yang mau OC full black nih ya?
Say comes looking for the ball. On to Luis Diaz down the right hand side. Marquinhos goes with him. It's quite something, Marquinhos. Turns 32 next week. He'll captain Brazil in the summer. 15 trophy lists.
Marquinhos lawannya.
PSG captain. Most memorable here. Played that really well. Stepped across. Not sure what Luis Diaz was thinking, but frustration getting the better of him. Twisted between Champions League games these
Mau
days.
kakakku naikin komenannya ya? Kalau nggak ada kita geser lagi kak. Aman kakakku ya.
Clock's fast.
Kita ada di Zero Boston kakakku ya.
Played with Messi and
Adi Zero Boston ya.
Ibrahimovic, Ronaldinho, Dani Alves, Mbappe, Beckham. Marquinhos challenging Kane there.
Kakakku kita ada di Zero Boston kakak ya. Cakep ya. Tapaknya juga udah apa namanya?
That's fortunate because he's led with the elbow, led with the arm, hand in the face.
Dia impor kualitasnya ya. No, cakep ya. Harga berapa bang? Harga 270. Tapaknya karbon kakak ya. Tapaknya karbon. Yang mau ya. Kakakku yang mau naikin komen-komennya ya. Di Zero Boston tapak karbon ready size berapa bang? 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 ya. KTP apa bang? KTP-nya Vietnam ya. KTP Vietnam. Kelahirannya Vietnam ya kakakku. Mau kakakku naikin komen-komennya ya.
Luis Diaz. He's hit first time by
Mana pintu?
looked down at the ground.
Kakakku ada yang mau ya. Adi Zero Boston. Adi Zero Boston ya kakakku ya. Kakakku yang mau naikin komen-komennya ya. Yang mau naikin komen-komennya 270 kakakku ya. Mau naikin komen-komennya 270 tapak karbon ya. Tapak karbon cakep nih. Tapaknya karbon ya. Tapaknya karbon kakakku. Nah. Ini kalau di apa namanya, kalau di store bisa 800 ini.
Just shaken a little bit by that early goal. It's such a strength. It's in the DNA of Bayern Munich. Belief, confidence. Something was assured tonight. Nathan Pacho involved again. Referee finds him. Bayern Munich's favour for the foul on Musiala. Brilliant tonight, Pacho. Marshall, everything around him so well.
Kakakku kita ada full black ya, full black Puma ya, Puma Speedcat ya, Puma Speedcat full black. Ready size berapa bang? 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 ya. Harganya berapa? Harganya 150.
Got a shot away, despite the presence of 4 red shirts. Neuer took evasive action. Lima, Olise, on by Pavlovic. Here's Lima again. Terrific challenge by Pacho again. Kimmich, headed away by Nuno Mendes. He's got that rhythm again. Stretched again, but you don't feel it's in Bayern's favour. Kvaratskhelia. Away from Upamecano. Kvaratskhelia stopped by the foot of Manuel Neuer. 2 important saves from Manuel Neuer. 2 you expect him to make, but big saves there. Sharp from Gue. Sharp from Kvaratskhelia to go with his feet. The angle's on his favour. Stood strong. The agility in every Bayern Munich attack is every PSG counter-attack. Olise, it's a Kane, couldn't quite get there. Again, Pacho sort of that. Well, he's asking the question, but it's just good defending from Pacho. Good presence. Safanov, good awareness. It's just not good enough from Bayern at the moment. Arsenal's victory last night will have certainly sharpened Harry Kane's appetite for success tonight. Scored 15 times against them. 14 years. Their great rivals in North London, Tottenham Hotspur. Up to 1 year in the Arsenal Academy. It's a player. Luis Diaz. Into Musiala. Luis Diaz trying to go on. Well defended again.
Kakakku,
Emery and Marquinhos
ada mau?
celebrating.
Kakak 150 udah include box ya. Kalau mau SS, kakakku. Kalau mau naikin komen-komenannya ya.
Had more space than he thought. That was sharp. Anyway, to get the shot away. This was wonderful thing, but there was a
Sorap.
come onto that angle. Neuer knew his angles, knew.
Kita ada Puma ya kakakku ya, Puma.
Post.
Barang mantul nih kak ya, barang mantul Puma.
Champions League semi-final.
Ada yang mau kakakku Puma nih, Puma Spiket warna marun ya, warna bergendi.
Semi-finals too.
Ready bang? Ready kakakku.
He's done it all in his 40 years. His clearance accurate for Elise. Searching run from Elise. Held up though by Benzema. Picked up by Nuno Mendes. Paris Saint-Germain will carry it back on the break. Nuno Mendes didn't get his choices right there. Pavlovic to Luis Diaz. It's a good cross away by Marquinhos and then by Joao Neves. It's all feeling, it's starting to feel a little bit desperate for Bayern. Vincent Kompany looking at him now to say, what have you got? What changes can you make? Comes to Leonard Carl, one of the choices. Hasn't trained a great deal in the last few weeks. Carl has been nursing an injury. Musiala, Olise. Back to Musiala. Pavlovic. Somebody's got to take responsibility. Referee's got to stop play because he inadvertently hit him. You can see the body language, the frustration that Kompany and every Bayern Munich fan is feeling right now. Musiala into the dead ball line. Joao Neves went every inch of the way with him. Didn't go out and play for a goal kick. You appreciate it's a bigger game, it's a bigger spectacle, it's a bigger opposition. But
Lagi nonton bola dulu, Liga Champion ya.
at home,
Fan main ya fan. Munchen ya. Yang di meja harga berapa bang? 150. Kak Neng. Kak Neng SS masuk admin ya. Warnanya banyak, ada hitam putih, ada full black, ada biru, ada ice blue, ada abu ya. Ada army ya. Kakak SS ya.
in terms of attacking options,
Tua kapat 321 123 ya. Bahannya juga udah sweat ya, bahan sweat ya, bukan fake ya. Bahan sweat ya, bahan sweat. Cakep ya, udah emboss ya. Pumanya juga udah emboss. Oke.
free kicks. It's moment
Masuk admin ke Kak Neng. Kak Neng pakai size berapa Kak Neng? Harganya cuma 150. Udah include sama box. Kak Neng, masuk admin. Kakak Kuneng, masuk admin ya. Iya Kak Neng, masuk admin.
the ball from Upamecano. Lima. Charged down by Benzema, kept alive by Kimmich. Wonderful defending again. Pavlovic.
Duh.
Chance for Stanisic.
Aduh.
No real belief in the
150 Kak Neng, masuk admin Kak Neng.
There was a moment there where you thought he could turn and shoot. Yeah, it's ended up to Stanisic. And if that's the sum total that Bayern can produce, then PSG will be thrilled. Zaire Emery has done so well to hold off Luis Diaz there.
Macet segala lagi.
Joao Neves, Zaire Emery. See Bradley Barcola in the foreground too. See here again now, there's 5 players that are controlling the game, controlling the ball for PSG. Doué, sloppy from Kvaratskhelia, fine combination. Broken up eventually by Pavlovic. And if anything, they're carrying more threat than the home team. They can pick the moments, can't they now? Pick their opportunities. Didn't quite come off there, but it's a lot more measured. Harry Kane looking around, going, where are you? What's on? Not sure where I'm going to go with it. Right, I've got to turn the tide in this game.
Kakakku, mana Kak Neng nih?
They need a big moment. Lima. It's a full pass. Doué. Oh, it's wonderful. He's got away from 3 of them here. Desiree Doué. He could just go all the way. Oh, it needed a good save from Neuer. Doué has scored 2 on this ground in the final last year. With a bewildering burst away from the defenders, forcing a fine stall. And he's getting stronger and stronger as the minutes go by, Doué, and that's a strong hand for Neuer. He's left a little bit of more space on that side, but measured the bounce and measured the save. It's his cafe moment of the game. Dembele just about to be replaced. It's Dembele who will make way for Bradley Barcola. 20 minutes last week. Was in the team until mid-March. Got his place in history through injury, and Doué has sort of edged him out in recent weeks. Dembele's goal is the difference on the night. 2-goal aggregate lead and a quarter of a cup for Paris Saint-Germain. Davies waits as does Kim Min-jae. Header away is by Stanisic. Again, one for Luis Diaz to chase. Zaire Emery to deal with. By Fabio Ruiz, Barcola's first involvement. Wonderful stride on Barcola. As this game gets stretched more, you feel like he can eat up those yards to drive PSG up the front, up the pitch, much like Doué just did. Kvaratskhelia on towards Nuno Mendes. McConnell did pretty well. Bayern Munich were exposed once more. Just didn't have the option, did he? Nuno Mendes, they weren't up with him. Something soon now, Bayern. Lima. Away from Pavlovic. Olise back to Kimmich. Musiala. Bouncing through the challenges here. He's found Luis Diaz. Faced by a black wall there. Kimmich. Lima. Can they work an opening? Michael Olise. Kimmich. It's over the head of Pavlovic.
Red, Rupert.
Two changes coming from Bayern Munich. It's the end of Josip Stanisic's night. Alphonso Davies will come on for him. Kim Min-jae is an interesting change. Jonathan Tah on shoes has got a problem of some kind. Kim has started the last 6 Bundesliga games, but only made 1 appearance in the Champions League knockout round so far. He actually scored a winning goal against PSG here in the league phase last season. Didn't have to shoot. That was as much as Jonathan Tah can do, because a left back for a left back and a centre back for a centre back is not a game changing substitution. They need something at the other end. He's shuffling around the back four. Luis Diaz isolated with Marquinhos momentarily. Luis Diaz got the elbow from Sadio Emery as the captain. Doubling up again. Musiala's found Davies. Fall back, an opportunity. Diaz! It's a good save, no more than Sapanov. Diaz had to improvise somewhat. Steered it goalwards. Sapanov beat it away. That was just a stab, wasn't it? That's it sharp, and his touch wasn't perfect. You can only ask a question. Davies with then one to the left foot. It's a more natural attacking fullback down this side. Pavlovic. Lions trying everything they know. Olise. Michael Olise! Just not the devastating finishing that we saw last week. It's just not happening, is it? Needed that to be in the corner, needed that to be in. It's never really going to trouble Safanov. Olise, that's the sort of position he's revelled in this season. And the way that Michael Olise and Luis Diaz put away their goals in that first leg, just hasn't been that quality of finishing tonight. It hasn't been the execution. It's good again from Doué. But Nike's having his conjurer at work. Pass wasn't great. Musiala. Kim.
Oh,
Shuts the door. Luis Diaz. Nacho once more. How many interventions has he made? Oh, no, you see it. No, you don't. Give an eye, I'm gone. They didn't show the pass. It's up his sleeve. It's behind his back. Magician. Davies. That's loose from Olise. And here's Kvaratskhelia. And he stepped away from Kim. Still Kvicha Kvaratskhelia. And Desiree Doué! Right netting. Well, he's looking the most likely out of anyone. He's looking more, PSG looking more likely from a mistake. That time, wasteful really, going near post. That's gain from Musiala. Davies has added something down this side. Kane. A little bit of space for Olise. And Lima on the overlap and decided against it. Again, the cross wasn't a telling one. They've been good to this point, Bayern. Just haven't found the sorcery in and around the edge of the penalty area. But you're thinking now it's got to be plan B, it's got to be something else.
Fabian.
Nicholas Jackson sat there, a centre forward. He can bring an element of chaos, something different. From Makana. Kept alive by Pavlovic and then Musiala. Kimmich to Luis Diaz. his lines. They've dealt with the Bayern white men magnificently tonight. Kane has been starved. Hasn't had a sight of goal. Olise. That's good from Olise and good. Pacho, who else? What a night. What a Pacho has had. And everything he's done. He's been measured, he's been controlled, and he's been aggressive and just read it so well. Safanov. Is that the near post ready? If it was any closer. Safanov. Unconvincing. For a throw in. Helped it on his way. Slithered off his fist. Luis Diaz. Lima. I think hardly tell you who's cleared that. William Pacho. Davis hasn't dealt with it. Barkla's all alone. Bradley Barkla trying to do it alone. He's want to throw in deep. In territory. That's what he's there for. That's brilliant for Barkla. Just to get his body in the way. Just cause an element of uncertainty. Buy some time, buy some yards. What's the French World Cup attack going to look like? Doué, Dembélé, Barcola, Olise, Cherki, Adriush. Got that back. He's left behind as well. Not very far away. Coutinho. Pacho was really expecting one in there, but he dealt with it again. Here's Nuno Mendes. Space for Doué. Kvaratskhelia. It's Doué. Desiree Doué. It's not far away.
You.
The team looking most likely to score next are not Bayern Munich. Two defenders coming on. Fabian Ruiz will come off. Lucas Beraldo, who is a centre-back who has played quite a bit in midfield of late, will take his place. And Desiree Doué's wonderful night is going to be interrupted for Luka Hernandez, who joined Paris Saint-Germain from Bayern
Enggak, Bang Doli Yusuf.
2023.
Saya lagi nonton bola. Main slot itu mah. Nggak main itu. Enggak, Bang. Saya orang baik-baik kok, Bang. Saya nggak hobi main slot, Bang. Saya bukan main slot. Saya lagi nonton bola. Soalnya Munchen main. Kalah dia 1-0 nih.
Still 13, 14 minutes left in this game, but last week you'd have said that could have been 4 or 5 goals this week. The lead from Bayern has just been sapped away from them. Yeah, 1-0 was not a result that I had on my card tonight. Just to emphasise, Bayern Munich need not 1 but 2 goals to survive. Kane. Davies. Pavlovic to Kimmich. Kim. Davies. Harry Kane just caught his heels a little bit. Pavlovic. Luis Diaz. It's a bright turn. Musiala, who is taken out on the edge of the penalty area there. And Luis Diaz been shown a yellow card. Well, I can understand his anger. I think blindsided the referee. He just step across him. Here comes Nicholas
Yo bang, yo siap. Sepatu abang.
Musiala. So it's effectively a front two now.
Huh.
Harry Kane is certainly adept at dropping a little deeper.
Murah sudah bang, dah nama haro.
Well, he's a centre forward, he's an out-and-out player. I'm never quite sure what he's going to do, but Kvaratskhelia, we don't know what he's going to do until he gets it.
Aku tak.
Player, I'm never quite sure what he's going to do, but Kvaratskhelia, we don't know what he's going to do until he gets it. Player, I'm never quite sure what he's going to do, but Kvaratskhelia, we don't know what he's going to do until he gets it. Ricardo's defending close. And the expense of a corner.
Oh yang rancak, size berapa bang? Size berapa warna ada bang? Size berapa ada bang? Warna po. Untuk ada bang. Untuk kesuat yang depan mas itu mas. Oh, ya kak. Sepatu harga berapa? 150 kakak. Kakakku Jesse Sila masuk admin kak ya. Kakak Jesse Sila masuk admin kak. Kakak Jesse Sila masuk admin ya. Ready kak size-nya ya. Untuk abang refill. Nih kak, kakak Jesse ya, SS ya, 2 gapa 321 masuk admin biar diproses ya. Kita lah sambil nonton bola ya. Davies.
To swing it in, to ask a question of Safanov in the defensive line and get up on Nakano and give across them. As they've offered very, very little in the second half in terms of creation.
Davies.
It's always a good route. The route now or never for Bayern Munich.
Reeboks.
Joshua Kimmich. Straight under the head of Pacho. The referee wants it retaken. Doing a bit of peacekeeping.
Masuk admin bang.
It's been a bit of a let-off that for Bayern Munich. Because the free kick wasn't Kimmich's best. Well, we've got no one on Pacho. He needs to stand someone on him. Kimmich again. Safanov punches effectively. Long and wide. Pavlovic, Davies, Luis Diaz. Just cannot shift this PSG cover. It's a blanket. Fantastic, haven't they? Footwork rate. Forced errors. Kvaratskhelia. Opportunity. Oh! Mendes saw Neuer stumble but couldn't find the target. So compact, so tight. You can see that line there of 4. It's been like that all over the pitch. Rather than being spread and man-to-man, they've got very sharp, very tight in the cover, and it's just
Kalah lagi.
sums it all up and just not allow Bayern to breathe. He's masterminding it all. Carl had told him that matches against Federer and Djokovic always motivated him more than any others. He said quite categorically that he sees these two as the best two teams in Europe. This is Grand Slam football as far as he's concerned. Kane to Sisterden. Just wouldn't say no there. Eventually threw a foul from Marquinhos. That's the competitor that is Harry Kane. He's down there. He's not happy with that at all. Feels like he got bundled over by Marquinhos. Outstanding for the first time, but I'm not sure I agree with the referee on that one. He's got the other way. Well, we're going to see Lennart Carl. He's not played since April before. He's been nursing a hamstring injury. It's another Mercado that's going to come off. He only turned 18 in February. But he has made an impact in the Champions League this season. Scored 4 goals already.
Masuk admin, Bang Rifil.
Pavlovic has gone in at centre half, and he's gone in just as an attacking midfielder in there. He's got the confidence to do it.
Let's go, let's go.
He's not shy of that. Seni Mayulu has
Let's
got
go, let's go.
last year. Takes over from Nuno Mendes. He's been playing as a left winger really for the last 15 minutes or so. Rafa got a nudge there from Luis Diaz.
Sinta Triana.
I don't think anybody's going to be criticising the defending tonight. As a team, Paris Saint-Germain. That was a little unnecessary from Marquinhos. He's going to be shown a yellow card, rightly for that. But their defending has generally been disciplined and tidy, and so effective. They've been fantastic, haven't they? Maybe not in the spectacular headline-making way that we saw last week, but to come here and to nullify Bayern Munich, this Bayern Munich team, it's been quite the performance. Luis Diaz just ran away from him. Davies is going to try and run. Zaire Emery. Good luck with that. Goal kick's been given.
Lepis.
There's just a wonderful energy about them. I mean, Mikel Arteta talked last week about the comparative ease with which both of these clubs seem to sail through their seasons on the home front. PSG will surely make it 12 French titles in 14 years. In the next few days, they're 6 points clear with 3 matches to go. It's a box to be ticked each year. Winning this title is the treasure chest for Bayern Munich and for PSG. They came of age on this stage last year. And if they are heading to Budapest, they'll have a fairly easy run there. They won't have to give too much to their league games, unlike Arsenal. Luis Diaz. He set up Carl. Liner. How ball was it? No, says the referee. Absolutely convinced he got a view. Waves away the protests. Lennart Carl had the best chance. Here's Kvaratskhelia. Guided out to Barcola. Bradley Barcola. And Neuer has to make another save. Corner kick. Well, the handball appeal's been waved away. With Neuer by far and away the busier keeper in this second half. Whatever Bayern have had thrown at PSG, they've had bodies in the way.
Tangan.
Defensive wall has matched everything. Shaun Neves have got something in the way. Zaire Emery. Mayulu. Insigne. Just pulled the strings tonight. He's a metronome. Turned on by Verano. Barcola.
Ini.
Celebrated those moments just as they celebrated the Dembele goal, which gave them a hold on this semi-final, which Luis Enrique's team worked so hard to retain. They can do it both ways. They've shown that tonight. I think Arsenal watching for the final turn around and say, well, they can mix it both ways. Do the dirty side, the ugly side, the off-the-ball side. They can dig in, put in a defensive performance like tonight. They'll match anyone. Arsenal coach Mikel Arteta started his senior career really with Paris Saint-Germain, had 18 months on loan there very early in his playing days. Be a reunion for him. A rematch of last season's semi-final, which Paris Saint-Germain won home and away. 5 added minutes. Might have pulled off some unlikely escapes in recent weeks. This is mission impossible, surely. Davies. Luis Diaz got the better of Zaire Emery here, but he can't find a cross. Marquinhos is there, kept alive by Jackson, who scoops in goalwards and Safanov saves. Well, for once, they don't get the defensive clearance that they needed, but Safanov's there. He has just been smothered. Everything. It's been a combination which Bayern Munich have been unable to unlock. The defensive discipline and the continual threat on the counter-attack. Personal individual performances have just been better from the PSG players. You look, and you wouldn't say any of them have underperformed. If you look at the Bayern side and you say there's not many who've matched those performances at all. They played like champions. They play like they know they can win at this level now. Luis Diaz. Quite sure why he didn't shoot. Pull the trigger. Sums up the night.
Onet Kampas slip on ada kak. Kak, kakakku, Aprilia,
Failures.
kakak Juwarno, Onet Kampas slip on ada. Mau warna apa?
Real Madrid, Manchester United, and
Mau warna apa?
Barcelona. He did begin to
Kampasnya.
creation whenever
Warna apa coba?
the backbone to
Nih, ada navy,
among the big beast, but
ada merahnya ya.
dress performance here last year. It was a defining
Warna apa coba? Naikin komenannya.
and for this young team.
Kak Juwarno doang.
It's exactly
41 ada ya. SS bang, masuk admin ya. Kampas ya, slip on ya. Nanti dikasih tali.
looking for what should have been no more than a consolation now. Oh, fantastic again from Zaire Emery. He's been terrific, hasn't he? Zaire Emery. Not quite
Nih bangku, mau yang warna apa?
that they are.
Navy ada ya, ada, barangnya ada. Harganya 120 ya, 130 udah include box. 130 udah include box ya.
Charge less than 2
Ya,
years
mantap
ago,
ya.
he overseen more games.
Masuk admin. Kakak Juwarno doang ya. Kakak Juwarno masuk admin. Saya lagi nonton bola nih.
Stability and
Kalah lagi ya bangku, kalah lagi.
much behind it just lately.
Gila ini.
He's building something here. Powers that be
Harganya 130, Kakak Juwarno doang.
with that.
Barangnya saya kirim nanti ya. Nanti pagi saya kirim abang masuk admin. Masuk ke bio profil ya. Masuk ke bio profil bang. Bang, masuk ke bio profil. Nanti barang abang kirim saya kirim hari ini.
Olise. Kimmich. Davies. It's a Kane. But he scored. He always scores. It's a certainty. You can make it on a dollar on Harry Kane scoring. He scored in his last 7 Champions League games now.
Masuk admin bang. Barang abang saya kirim hari ini. Saya lagi nonton bola. Soalnya kalah.
You feel as if this will have come too late to save Bayern 6 season and counting for club and country. I'll give him half a yard and he'll score. And that's PSG subtotal of what they've given Harry Kane in the whole game. That moment, that little bit of space, he's been waiting for over 90 minutes for something like that. And Pacho for once just can't get touch time to him.
Masuk admin bang ya, biar saya proses bang ya. Oke. Warna ini juga ada nih bang. Warna silver ya, warna silver juga ada.
Luka Hernandez sitting against Elise. It'll be a PSG throw. Marquinhos has gone down with an injury in the middle. If I say no more than cramp, we've all had cramp and it hurts. They won't hurt quite so much tonight for the PSG captain.
Nanti kita kasih box abangku ya. Nanti kita kasih box.
He's close. Surely cannot be more than a few seconds. Olise, Pavlovic, Carl, Kane. He's got to go into the box. Pacho sees through it, and it doesn't. Paris Saint-Germain are not letting go of the European Cup. Their grip on the Champions League trophy is still tight. They waited so long to win it. They're not about to give it back. And in the stadium of their defining victory, their crowning glory of 340 nights ago, Luis Enrique's team have produced a performance to earn a deserved victory in this semi-final for the ages. It wasn't the same as the game we saw a week ago, but we've seen all sides of Paris Saint-Germain. Bayern Munich, 6 years without a Champions League trophy, their wait goes on. But it's Paris Saint-Germain who will go to Budapest to take on Arsenal in the final in 24 nights' time, and they will go there as favourites to retain.
You're watching the post-match show on CBS Sports, powered by Verizon.